at your paper, look at the story, look at the words. Let's think about the sound. What's the sound? Ba. Ba. Okay, so give me a word. Give me a word from the story with the first sound ba. Ba. Bob. Okay, Bob. What else? Bob. What else? Okay. Okay. Break. Good. Break. Thank you. Okay, so Bob. Break. What else? Okay, good. Basket, but what about in the story? What about in the story? Bicycle. Bicycles. Yeah, bicycles. Good. Good. Okay, so for we've got Bob, break, bicycles, bicycles. Okay. What about number 4? Number 4. Bring. Thank you. Brings. Brings. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what is this sound? What's the sound? Duh. Duh. Drink. Drink. Drink soda. Great. Thank you. Thank you. What's the sound? Lamp. Lunch. Lunch. Thank you. Lunch. Very good. Okay. What's the sound? Beep. Pan. Pick up. Pam. Very good. Pam. Good. Okay, lamp. The last sound. Great. Yeah, the last sound. Great. Thank you. What's the sound? Rick. Okay. But what about in this story? Radios. Good. Radios. Yeah. Radios number 8. Radios. Good. Okay, what's the sound? Sandwiches. What else? Soda. Good. Soda. Okay. All right. How about this sound? Shop. Great. So this is good. Let's look at the sound again. What's the sound? Sandwich, soda. Sandwich, soda. Good. But this is different. What's the sound? Shop. Good. Sandwich, soda, shop. Great. Thank you. Okay. Good. What's the sound? Chair. Good. Okay. Good. All right. How about one more? What's the sound? Talk. Good. What else? Television. Good. Okay. Thank you.